Hi my loves and welcome to another video. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm 36 weeks today and as usual I'm going for my OB's appointment. I'm going for my 36 week appointment and this is the vibe. I try to do some cute stuff with my hair because mostly I don't do much. I'm due for a retie, so I'll probably I want to book an appointment with my loctician for Friday or Tuesday depending on when she's available. But this is the look for today and I want to do a little makeup that will bring some life to my face because I look dark. So this is a spray bottle with water. Sometimes I put a little bit of oil in here, but that is enough because when you have locks you don't really need to do much. Okay, so a little bit of shiny here. Eyeshadow, I'm using the Nubian by Juvia palette. I think I got this in 2020 or is it 2021? I can't remember. I hope it has not expired because I like it and I still have a lot since I don't use it all the time. And then a little bit of mascara here and there. I'm so grateful to God that I made it to 36 weeks because not everyone has this privilege. So I'm super grateful. I'll show you the outfit of the day in a minute. And my nails. I need to do my nails, but I do not have the energy. Yes, love. Are you done? Okay. You are what? Yeah, babe. I'm not that innocent. You think I'm in love. And I think so. How sweet. So we're going to throw all this in the laundry. This is the laundry detergent we are using because this is unscented, so because it's a newborn you have to be careful. You don't have to use scented soaps for them. And then this is the fabric softener. This one smells really good. You know what they say, nesting is instinct, but honestly it feels like an Olympic sport at this point. Trying to sort out baby clothes and realizing that this kid already has a better wardrobe than me. This was a gift, baby girl's first gift. So pretty. But seriously guys, how many onesies is too many? If you're a mom watching, when you're expecting, how many onesies did you get for starters? Because I know you'll be buying more somewhere along the line as baby goes, but to start with, how many did you get and how many do you think is enough for the first 3 months as a first time mom? Also, if you have any tips and tricks that you can share with me, they are welcome in the comment section because honestly this job does not come with a manual and we want to get this right. Like, I'm taking out all the tags before I throw all this into the laundry. So this is like a blanket that will help you track your baby's growth. So we have 1 week, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 2 months, like up to 12 months. So I think I'll just wash the blanket. I'll wash the blanket. And for the cards, so 1 day, 6 months, 11, and the rest. So I'll wash the blanket. Because I'm not able to film as much as I want to, because when you get to this stage you are mostly tired. But yeah, so far we've been able to iron most of the clothes and the bed sheets and the blankets and all of that. So I'm going to arrange it into my drawer. Okay, so I think I'll arrange them according to, I'll put the pants in one side, I'll put the tops in another side, I'll put the onesies in a different section, and the slippers in another section as well. For me, I didn't go crazy. I didn't buy a lot of things because you don't really know how much your baby will weigh. Like, you don't know the size of the baby. So my mom was like, take your time, take your time. I know you want to buy everything, but take your time, else like you buy something that will not be useful to you. So yeah. And then, so when it comes to the socks, this is the trick I'm using, because I realize that if you don't take care, most of them will get missing, like the socks and the mittens. So I'm going to put each pair together like this. So a pair like this sees two pairs. I'm going to put one pair into another, so it becomes one. And same thing I'm going to do with the mittens as well, because even as I was doing the laundry, as my husband was doing the laundry, I was afraid that at the end of the day I'll not be able to find most of them. So I'm just going to put it together. I bought this when we didn't know the gender of the baby, so that's why it's blue. Make it one. Yeah, so I got this drawer dividers at Canadian Tire. It's very easy because I wanted to buy those containers and put them inside, but I realized that if I can just get this to divide the drawers into sections, it will still serve the purpose. So yeah, got this at Canadian Tire. So I'm trying to wash and prep baby girl's bottles. At the end of the day, I was too exhausted to end the vlog, but yeah, this house is baby ready.
You can bank on it, you can put 100 grand on it, anything I said